Good afternoon guys, welcome back to another video for Advanced in Car. This customer is all the way down from Stoke up the north. This is a 2024 T6.1 in stunning, whatever named blue they've called it, but it's a really nice looking van. Now this customer has been down to us for all external lighting upgrades. We have replaced the lackluster T6.1 factory headlights for these all LED headlights that are brand spanking new. This is one of the first few sets that we fitted. We've done a video already of these and we've just also filmed a video showing you all of the different options and startup sequences that these offer. So Richard's just going to start up these. These are unique to the aftermarket world in the fact that they have this Audi style startup sequence. We have set these lights to have white DRL, daytime running lights, and then also sequential indicator. So you'll see now the indicator does sequential or dynamic sweeping. And then if Richard turns it off, puts the main dipped beam on, you've got twin projectors in there. And if the camera can deal with it, Richard will just put high beam on. That's high beam. So you've got twin projectors, all LED, twin projectors for high beam, and you've got DRL with sequential indicators. If you choose to, you can change that from sequential to fade and even have amber DRLs, which is different. Now, at the same time, we've also then done the Transporter HQ side dynamic indicators. So these are relatively simple, actually a little bit fiddly, but relatively simple to take off and remove. And Sammy can come around here. So Richard's just switched these on. These are the smoke black edition, and the reason why we've done that is because this van is already relatively stealthy, plus you've got the transporter panel in black here. It would just make sense, otherwise it would look a little bit naff. These come in clear or stealth black. So we've gone with dynamic side indicators, all LED front headlights. Join me at the back and we'll show you the VW genuine LED light clusters. This is what we've removed. This is the standard halogen factory fitted light clusters on these tailgates. We cannot fit the genuine VW LED light clusters onto the barn doors. They do a similar variant, but not this transformer style light that's incredibly popular. So this cherry red, or whatever you want to call it, has been removed. They don't look particularly exciting, but they do now. So what the boys have done is they've removed these factory light clusters, rewired the plugs and allowed for dual LED, and they've allowed for dual fog light. So if we then put the ignition or side lights on, you'll see the distinctive rear side lights on the back here with your sort of, I say transformer style because that's how they seem to be known as we are now. And then if Richard puts the left indicator on, nice LED. It's not sweeping on the VW lights, they're just there. And then if you put it into reverse, we've got now dual reverse light on, like so. Before you would have had halogen. On some models they had dual halogen, but most of the time they were just one on one side. Now we've got two ultra bright white LED reverse lights, and then if we put fog lights on, we've got dual fog as well, again being wired up to give you that feature. And then if we take the fogs off and put the brake lights on, if you then see the brake lights, what happens is bright brake light off. You'll see here that these horizontal three lights go off when the brake light goes on, and then when it turns off, they come back on again. So that is the T6.1 LED genuine VW light clusters that are fitted on certain specifications and vehicles. So this is a T6.1 external lighting makeover. Beautiful, good looking van, and is now going to drive back up to where this gentleman has come from with the VW genuine rear lights, the dynamic side indicators and the front all LED headlights. If you've got a vehicle with really poor lighting and you want your transporter with a nice little makeover like this, then please do get in touch. What we will be doing is on our website, we will be creating a bundle for the T6.1 where you can just simply inquire about a certain product and it'll have all three in there and you can pick and choose. But stay tuned to YouTube, you'll see another interesting video for the headlights earlier that we've done today. Website links in the bio, and as usual guys, thank you for watching.